playgroup teacher. Now, today we will learn about phonics. It's letter sound S. It's letter sound S. This is the story of letter sound S. It is a sunny day. A boy takes his dog for a walk. The boy throws a stick and the dog runs after it. The dog sniffs around in the grass and starts barking. A large spooky snake is sitting up and hissing. The boy grabs the dog and the snake slowly slithers away. Okay, and then I will show you the action of letter sound S. Okay, you put your hands like this and pretend that you are a snake. S. Don't forget to say S. Okay, can you follow me? S. Letter sound S. Good job, Rainbow Kids. Okay, now I will show you how to say this letter sound. It's letter sound S. It's letter sound S. This is letter sound S. And this one, how you write letter sound S. Letter sound S. And how you write letter sound S. This is the things that start with letter sound S. First, we have snake. We have snake. Next, sun. Sun. And then star. Star. And the last one, we have strawberry. Snake, sun, star, and strawberries. Good job, Rainbow Kids. Okay, now let's we sing the song of letter sound S. Come on, music.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. S, s. The snake is in the grass.
Okay, don't forget to prepare your head, yeah?
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. S, s. The snake is in the grass.
Good job, Rainbow Kids. Okay, Rainbow Kids. Now let's redo the worksheet. First, don't forget to grab pencil and this paper. Okay, you can see here, this is letter sound S. Start from top to bottom. This is how you write letter sound S. Okay, can we see here? We have three pictures. Sun, start with letter sound S. Star, also start with letter sound S. And the last one, strawberry, start with letter sound S. Okay, now we move to this part. You just need to follow the line and make letter sound S. Start from top to the bottom, all the way through here. Okay? You need to do it slowly so it will become nice. Yeah? Follow this line slowly. If you have a problem, you can ask help from your dad or your mom, yeah? Okay, This is my last one, letter sound. And then finish. Okay, that's all about letter sound. Let's meet again in my next video. Bye bye.